All right, so one day late, but still gonna get it done. Getting here, start off. And all right, so we're just gonna look at uh let's go because it went there was thing, we're not buying it yet, but it did correct back down. I'm thinking it may or may not put in a low. We're gonna look at that. Also gonna look at VIX because VIX is more important because that's gonna tell us um the volatility, or we can expect it to keep traveling further or back, because usually when the VIX is up, everything else is down. So we're gonna try to spot out a high on the VIX. So that way we can say, all right, cool, high there, or it's pushing the high. You can go buy some other stock that's not VIX, and based on its charting as well and its price action, and move it like that. All right, only two today. Let's get to it. We got Visco up first. If you notice the little letters here in purple, I learned this from Josh last week. So up top we see the monthly. That's a look up, down. Place around here, more liquidity. Looking to the weekly. Josh and I were talking about different order blocks like this and how they form, and how historically this order block here got ran, dipped into there. So I can just poof, check that out. So, or reduce it 'cause it doesn't exist anymore because that liquidity has been sucked up and hit already. So then the next one would be this low, this low before the up move that broke market structure. So it would be this liquidity there that we're dipping into now. I'm going to use this on other charts going forward, exit, not Xing out, but editing liquidity zones, so that way I can switch my target around. Since it's still new, I'm not going to say what it's going to do or not do. I'm just going to say that's there. It's a thing. Look to Visco here. Caught it going down. It popped up. Bam. Came back down as expected. Daily, you can see it there. I'm not going to use this purple box yet to say, oh, it's going to do this or this, even though that daily comes there, because I'm, like I said, not practicing it enough, and I wouldn't put money on it. Wouldn't put the kids' college fund on it. So this is what I'm seeing there. I'm still going to go with this, old red box there. I say it's going to dip down, possibly get here and then bounce if it gets to the swing failure pattern, but more so get down and go lower. And that's the prediction for Fisco. We're not really doing anything with that. We're trying to let that one sit. Let sleeping dogs lie. Not even going to set a notification for when it gets down here, down there, because it doesn't seem like that's something that's going to happen. I'm trying to more so keep my eye on it to see if it bounces here, but it's almost down. That's that. Volatility index. See the monthly view. You see the low there. It's been going, not really touching its low. That's perfectly fine. We see historically, low there, pop up, low there, pop up. It's a big hit. And of course, you always get that correction. Always going to happen. And this is a month of volatility. And we see it come down here, consolidating. We see it's on the rise right now. That's why this week, or this month's been kind of down. Been as far as tops, this this one, like around here. So pretty much around the 35 zone. Definitely a top. Do I feel like this is going to wick up and get there again? Possibly, to be honest. I don't know if it's going to be 35, maybe a little up here. I'm definitely not seeing a good reason for it to go down. It has the fuel to go. It's been running these past few months, so this may keep in and out of this gambit. And then for the next month, hit it hard. Coming in on the weekly. Let's get that big candle out of the way. Yep, see that chaotic shit. So, establish the base here. Run up, down, run up, trying to flick up. You got a little bit of flick above there, 1 week, got there. Of course, correct back down, even though we just saw the big monthly green candle. This week is green, yeah, but red. We see it's likely going to just get back down. Either way, since it's down around here, I still wouldn't be apt to buy next week, considering more to the up than the down. I see it actually going. If it does go down a little bit, it may like peter a little bit sideways, but more so waiting for it to come back down to this actual 16 range, and that would be good to buy in. So likely I'm going to end up buying on the 18 one.